just like I've told you in my other videos, you guys, the devil is very mischievous, someone's planning something and something huge, because this is a terrorist attack, and the energy that it's giving me, it's a huge explosion, it's a huge catastrophe, it's a huge accident, either made to look like an accident, but it's a huge devastating accident. This is energy of some sort of a catastrophe in this month, a catastrophe in next month, and catastrophe just following through. Catastrophes are going to be the theme of 2021 as well. But this right here does say that there's a terrorist attack. This is a vision that I just got, and this is how I put it together. This is the attack, and this is what's doing. Someone in the dark is doing these terrorist attacks. So yes, I do see a terrorist attack. UK, for Spain, for France, for Asia, for the US.
No. Madrid, esa iglesia, ¿no?